we're going to show you some improvements in the Windows setup experience. As an IT admin managing Windows, I want to prevent end users from going through setup experience if critical software fails, so that I can have parity with my macOS team and ensure that work blocking technology is available per my organization's requirements. So in the Fleet setup experience in Windows, we now have this checkbox which matches what macOS had before, and here you can set up your software that installs during the setup experience. This is important for the out-of-box experience when an employee gets a new laptop and we want to make sure some critical security software is installed. So let's go ahead and run it. And here I have a machine going through the autopilot flow. It is registered in autopilot, so when you boot this machine up, eventually it'll come to this screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video as I log in. Okay, I've logged in, so the first thing that comes up is terms and conditions. So I will agree and continue, and then this will proceed. Note that we will have a failing software, so we will see what a failing screen looks like eventually. Let me pause the recording. So we're now at the enrollment setup page. So now out-of-box experience will be seeing this page, and depending on how many settings to apply, how many software installed, that's how long people will stay on this page. At this point, we weren't able to get exact counts populated on this page, so we are working with Microsoft to get that straightened out. So basically what's happening under the hood is Orbit is getting installed, that Orbit is communicating to the Fleet to install software. The policies are also getting installed as well as any certificates. Let's pause and let this finish. Okay, and now we see the failure page. We will have a message over here, up here. There's an error indicator. And then we have a couple kind of Windows features enabled here. One is this view diagnostics to dump some additional detail, and then we can reset the device and try starting this whole process over. Now let's go back to the dashboard and look at activity. So we can see the whole process here. We turned on MDM on that device, it enrolled in Fleet, and then the setup experience was canceled because this software failed to install. Another message here, and then because it failed to install, we also canceled the subsequent software. So we basically, try to fail early when one software fails to install, and then we can also see these activities as well on the host page.